Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we are going to draw and color 3 cute ice creams. Let's start drawing. To start, I draw a cone with some ice cream in it. I draw a circle at first, then another. Finally, let's draw a cute face for our ice cream. I draw 2 cute eyes. A smiling mouth and cheeks. Yummy! Let's start a cone. I draw a very fluffy spiral ice cream and a heart here. Now let's draw 2 cute eyes. And a smiling mouth for it. Amazing! Finally, I draw another ice cream, which is a popsicle, like this. Then I draw a wavy line on the top. There is going to be some chocolate coverage. Now let's draw a cute face for our ice cream. I draw 2 cute eyes. And a smiling mouth. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I colored the cone with dark brown and red for the cheeks. This is pink, like the strawberry. This scoop of ice cream will be light green, like pistachio, my favorite. And I colored this one with brown, like chocolate. For the ice cream in the middle, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green. It looks very delicious. Red. For the cone, I used this marker. Last but not least, purple on the top. Aqua blue. I colored the tongue light red. I used this marker for the ice cream stick. Fuchsia! Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.